everyone! So it's been over a year now since we last posted a vlog. I think it was summer last year. The reason why we stopped was, well, at the time I just found out I was pregnant and we were still homeschooling, and I think I was really tired, really sick at the time, and then anyway we stopped, and then we thought now would be a good time to go. So over the last year, what have we been doing? So the kids went back to school last September until about Christmas time, and we felt like school wasn't working for us, so we decided that we were going to go back to homeschooling, or as it's called in the UK, home ed. So we did that, and we've been really enjoying it since we've been doing it. So we're glad we made that decision. In March, we welcomed our little girl, Alice Harper Morgan, and she has just been a complete and utter blessing ever since we've had her. She is amazing. She is lush. So if you can hear a lot of banging in the background, it is because today is bonfire night. So here's a little bit of what we have been getting up to today. What's she doing, Will? She can have it if she wants. Do you want to give her the tin back? I think she likes the noise. Will?
Yeah.
Will you give it back to her? The tin? This tin? Can you give that back to Alice? Yeah? Good.
Yeah.
Good girl. She likes banging it.
That's like it.
That'll make a cool sound. They opened the I like the fireworks they do.
You seen that one, did you?
Yeah.
On that one? Oh, sparkly.
I guess I'll film. Wow.
You hear
Whoa,
it
some over there as well. Woo-hoo.
We're gonna have to go to New York City to
That'd be good to do, wouldn't it?
yeah, they do amazing over there, don't they?
Yeah.
In London they do really good as well. Yeah, they do it with like a wheel, don't they, and stuff. I've got Melton's on.
No, I didn't. Whoa! No, I didn't.
You okay?
Yeah. It stopped raining. It stopped raining, Mum. You can
Yeah.
get the sparklers.
Yeah, well, I'll go and get them now.
Dad, you go get him. that's a bit of what been getting up to today, guys. I hope you are happy that we're back, and for those of you who haven't watched our vlogs before, welcome, and I hope you enjoy what we have in store.